Raise Japanese 101, Lesson 4, E. Some of you may have noticed on the last lesson that pronouncing iu is quite hard, especially if it's said faster. The first syllable, I, gets pasted with other hiragana and transforms. Iimasu, meaning I say, itta, meaning I said, iitai, meaning I want to say. So, transformed, they are easier to pronounce. Let's get on to e. E is the fourth syllable and the fourth vowel, and here are the orders to write them. E means painting picture. This is an independent individual word. E o miru means I see a painting. Miru means to see. O is a particle indicating the object of a verb's action. Let me talk a little about kunyomi and onyomi. There are two different types of reading kanji. One is kunyomi, the other is onyomi. Kunyomi is the way of pronunciation to read in the flat Japanese way, whereas onyomi is the way used often to read in the Chinese way. Kunyomi is used often as a single kanji, followed or preceded by hiragana. Onyomi, on the other hand, is often used to combine multiple numbers of kanji. From now on, I will introduce you kunyomi and onyomi of each kanji. Keep in mind that for each kanji, there may be more than one way to read kunyomi and onyomi. By the way, the most examples I will give will be onyomi based. Exception, especially for ones with kunyomi syllable being an independent word by its own. So, kunyomi for e is e, onyomi is kai. E means handle. This too is an independent individual word. Kunyomi for e is e and gara. Onyomi is hei. Hochou no e would be a handle of a knife. E means gain. Kunyomi is e and u. Onyomi is toku. Kokoroe means knowledge to keep in mind, with kokoro meaning heart. Kokoroe literally means heart gain. E means blessing. Kunyomi is megu. Onyomi is e and k. Chie means wisdom, with chi meaning know. So chie literally means knowledge blessing. I must also point out about he. He is much later in this series, but this hiragana, when used as a particle, it must be read e and never he. This is a solid rule, no exception. E as a particle means to. It is similar to ni, which was talked about in the last lesson. E has a nuance closer to toward. Ni has a nuance closer to the destination. 市場に行く. 市場へ行く. Both means I go to the market, but 市場に行く emphasizes 市場. 市場へ行く emphasizes 行く. As you keep speaking Japanese, you will get the grasp of the difference. As for interjections or feeling expression words, eh means what? Asking what was said. And no, the one who says it is not angry. People also say when one is uncertain of the circumstance, which is same as what? Eh is one of the fillers. is also a filler, but it emphasizes the point that one is searching for what to say. is used to express how unbelievable one feels. And is an onomatopoeia sound expressing one is crying out loud, especially that of children. Ehen is also an onomatopoeia sound expressing one bragging to others. So, when you did your assignment and teacher points you out and your answer is right, you say ehen. So, this is it for this lesson. Raise Japanese 101, Lesson 4. Ciao.